Hi, so we're from Strathmore Law School and we're first years and we just had a guest lecture with Professor Githu Muigai, and this is what I've learned. One thing that I saw was the difference about the lawmaking process in Kenya, pre-2010 constitution and the current constitution that we have now. That was something that was very insightful to me because of how the legislature was formed and how there was a bicameral legislature and a unicameral legislature, and that was a very interesting fact for me.
So what was outstanding is about the judicial review, to the extent that the judiciary can have an overreach in their judgment to affect the decisions of the executive. This comes into play especially when they are striking down decisions made by the people representatives, because the assumption of democracy is that those elected by the people have the mandate and the power and authority granted them directly by the people, and therefore they know what is good for the people.
What I picked from that guest lecture was the process of the law of the constitutional amendment that took over in the history in 2010 and even the current constitution. I equally learned about the judicial review, how it is beneficial, and how judicial overreach has also been taking place.
The judiciary should have a self-correcting method, and I believed that that was something that I didn't think about. So I'll take that into my next constitutional law class, and thank you.